Alright, I got about 7 batteries I'm going to take in this morning, which ain't much. My truck's got the steering bar all messed up, but I still got to make some money to fix it. So it's going to get fixed today, but oop, it's a little low on power steering fluid. And we'll check the oil. So good morning, and it's a daily check. I don't even wipe it, I just check it. So I know I got some power steering fluid sitting here somewhere. Take it easy and go to Buffalo with it. If not, if it messes up, I'll just get it towed. Got a couple little parts here. Maybe there's some power steering in that. I'll dump it in my truck. See what that's worth. Your calipers, compressor. See what everything's worth when I take it in. I don't know, it's stuff that falls off cars or extra parts with cars. I don't really go pulling much of this stuff. Maybe a little lucky, I found some power steering in this. I don't know if it's coming out or not. There we go. No, not enough of it. If I pump it, it'll come out. Well, I'll find another one. Got a little bit out of there, not much. Well, couldn't find another one, so it looks like my cheap butt will be going to the store. Heck, if it was free and the truck burns it up, I'll use it. See, I loaded a couple parts on, not much. The core place don't buy the batteries. Interstate buys the batteries. But they're gonna say that's almost a waste of their time because usually it's a truck bed. But I'm just trying to cash in what I got to fix the truck. Alright, and this is the batteries. I keep them. Always keep your batteries on a pallet so they don't spill on the ground because they're lead. Alright, I'm gonna go cash it in and see what I get. Minus gas. This is all gonna be profit, basically. There's the interstate place. Alright. That was 46 bucks. He gave me an extra 50 cents. The interstate. Alright. There, I'm at the BCS here, Buffalo. That's basically what I got for the course. Wasn't much, so at least it was 160 bucks together, 170, 169, whatever. All right, thank you if you watched. Outer Skyway here, Buffalo. After about another 500 repairs to her, I got her back. Steering broke. There's the steering arm that keeps breaking. Rubber bushing in these things. Can't handle workloads. So talk about making money, but this thing was just down for like 4 days. So I'm looking maybe for another truck too. I don't know yet. But I'm definitely looking for another truck. I don't know if I'm going to keep this one on or off. But she's definitely a polar. She likes to... Something happened there. Alright, I'll connect this up and get back to you. Yeah, but I got new brakes and new steering this week. Oh my god. Brand new brakes. brakes all the way around, but it was an expensive week. This week was almost a complete loss, I'd say, but I just want to make up for it today. As long as I pay my bills and be able to help, you know, the things I do, and have some money left over for taxes. Really expensive week. There we go. Back to my videos. So, all right. I want to say thanks to Dave and Bill for getting me a junk car and a load of junk here. She's overloaded with junk again. All right. Thank you, Bill and Dave. These are loads you want. You got your short steel, some aluminum down there. You got more short steel, some more aluminum. Got your car with the Cadillac converter, some good tires, I guess. I don't know. He said they're good tires. I hate tires. You got your, I'm gonna break that up for short steel. Cast ain't worth nothing. And you got your Cadillac converter on the car, so that's what you want to do for today. All right, I'm gonna clean this up and then I'll get back to you when I'm hauling in. I don't know if I said this, but I decided to part the load in 2 different trips so it ain't too heavy, because I had another load too. So I'm gonna do the short steel now. Well, I forgot to show the truck unloading, but I unloaded most of it. I don't know, some of it got left on. Oh, it was so crappy that I'm gonna go put 50 in the tank, but that for like 20 for the aluminum, you can't even see that. And then I got 93 for the sheet, for the short. I got it all in for short steel. The short was only 185 a ton, which is horrible, but all right, I'll keep trucking. There, I sold this one down the road for $250, a couple miles down the road, so that's done. Don't have to drive to the scrapyard, but they had good tires on it. But I guess I'm just letting it go. That guy's gonna make more money than me, but screw it, I'll get another one. So I paid $280 for everything. Probably cleared about $250, $275 today. But that doesn't minus the $500 or $1,000 in repairs this week. All right. Come on, John, we gotta get this truck picked up. Oh, that ain't nothing. I got it. No problem. Okay. All right, bud, I'm good. Okay. Stop it. Stop that.